Here's a video I wanted to show you. I picked up this drill press at my local Harbor Freight. As you can see, it's a Central Machinery 16-speed drill press. All the adjustments are inside here. We'll take a look at that, and that's what I thought was cool about this thing. As you can see, all different configurations. I have it set for the slowest speed. But what I want to tell you about this thing is I got a really good deal on it. If you go to Harbor Freight and you're just shopping around there, and I happen to see this was the display model, and it had a price on it of $300. I think it was $355. And I asked one of the employees there if it was on sale, and she went and got the gun and scanned it, and it come up to be, $255. And then when she scanned it, it come out to $205. So to me, which this gets better yet, to me, that was a really good deal for a drill press. The catch was, before the good part, it was the display model, so I only got 5 days of warranty. So, as you can see, it does work. I probably overkilled it in mounting it. That's the only reason of 2 mounts this way here, because I already had them, so I didn't have to buy any. But it was in big time, need that I wanted a drill press like this. They even had a bigger one there, where you see this located in my sharpening area of my shop. This worked out very well. And then I picked up a vise for on top of it, have some more modifications. You'll probably see that in a future video. But the cool thing was I did purchase Inside Track Club a couple weeks ago, which astonishingly, I've saved a ton of money since I purchased that. And when I took this up to the register and they scanned it, it took another 15% off. And this, be hopefully posting this video in the next few days. This was only a few days ago, and because of my Inside Track Club, this was an open box, so they took another 15% off. Will this work for you? I don't know. Maybe your Harbor Freight isn't selling this display model right now. I just happened to catch this at a good deal, and just wanted to show it to you a little bit. It is 110. You can see the motor there. The other thing was this was kind of broke, but not. The roll pins were out of place. They might have did that, so you couldn't really, hurt yourself on it, I guess, being a display, so I had to put them back. This seemed like it was off as well. Now I got that working, but, I don't care. I'm a DIYer, and that's what my channel is all about. So I think I got a killer deal on a drill press. You can adjust this any way you want. Again, another negative. The crank handle is missing, but I'm not too worried about that. So I probably it's going to just stay the way it is, and if not, I will eventually make one. And then I want to get online and see if I can get the book for this too, just for some more information. The other thing was, the bulb was missing here. I just wanted to see what type it took. And as you can see, I had a nightlight bulb here to throw in. It says it takes 75 watts, so I'll get one of them, probably in an LED. But again, take that other 15% off without tax, I bought this thing for $175. That was a killer deal. So anyway, just wanted to pass that on to you. If you're looking for a drill press or maybe some of their bigger stuff that, maybe you're in the market for, check it out. Anyway, this is the Central Machinery 16-speed floor drill press. This is GMAC. Like, subscribe. Please give me a thumb up. Comment down below. Maybe you have a drill press. Give any advice, in the comments as well. To any advice on this thing. But I think this thing is going to be around for me for a long time, and got a killer deal. So check out your local Harbor Freight. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.